Whoever betrays secrets destroys trust and will never find a close friend. Love your friend and maintain his trust. But if you betray his secrets, stay away from him. For as a person destroys an enemy, so you have destroyed friendship with your neighbor. And as you let a bird escape from your hand, so you have let your friend go and will not recapture him. Do not chase after him, for he is gone. He has escaped like a gazelle from a snare. A wound can be bandaged, and insults can be forgiven, but those who betray secrets have no hope. Those who slyly wink are planning mischief, and those who know them will keep their distance. In your presence they are sweet-tongued, and they admire your words. But later they will change their story and use your own words to condemn you. I have hated many things, but I hate them the most. The Lord even hates such people, too. To throw a stone straight up is to throw it on your own head, and backstabbing will wound many. Those who dig a pit will fall into it, and those who set a snare will be caught in it. Those who do evil will be crushed by it and not know where it came from. Mockery and insults come from the proud, yet vengeance lies in wait for them like a lion. Those who rejoice in the fall of the godly will be caught in a snare, and pain will overwhelm them before they die. Anger and fury are also detestable, but the sinner is a master at both of them.